Hi guys, I'm Kev from Sensei. This is the life, laying down on the job. Today we're going to do a different perspective again, and this is going to be from the floor, believe it or not. You alright there, Chris?
Whale of a time.
Don't forget to subscribe for videos each week and push the notification bell, which will give you an email when we post new content. New content is posted on a Wednesday and a Saturday. Guys, Chris is on the floor. We're going to simulate an attack. I'm going to use the cane. With these attacks it's going to be a kick. With these, a punch. With that it's a stamp. Okay? We're using the cane for my safety, because I do not want to be hit by that thing. So coming to the base, and I'm going to kick Chris straight in the groin. Ow! I'm going to hobble to this part, because he showed me his back, and I'm going to try and punch. That hasn't worked. But his head's free, so I'm going to come round to his head, and I'm going to try and kick his head again. Ah, not worked. So now I'm going to come in with a chaff punch. As you can see, Chris is up.
So when I get to here, I'm making sure I'm covered, but I'm not just going to focus here. I'm going to be checking, is there anybody else I need to be worried about? Am I ready for that attack? I've covered myself, I'm ready to swing, whatever I need to do. So the saying goes, after the battle, tighten your helmet strap. I may have dealt with one person, but it's what's around you, so don't get focused on one opponent. Make sure you're safe.
We are using the training canes, and this is for our safety. Get hit with one of these, it's going to really hurt. So although we've done multiple attacks, I can guarantee you if someone kicks you and you hit them with this, that's the fight over. The fight is totally gone. We're now going to bring Callum in, because as although I'm on two canes and I'm moving a little bit better today, we need some speed on this. So Callum's going to come in, do roughly the same attacks again, or just what you can see at the time, and we'll see how Chris deals with it, gets up into a guard position.
Each time we've tried this, I've moved slightly differently depending on what's happened. So when you practice this, different angles, different attacks, we will be going through multiple attackers as well. Works really well with a clearance swing. Doing a helicopter on the floor works really well. So practice different angles, different opponents, different ways of getting up, whichever suits your ability. As we're training, and we're going to be putting up some training videos of us in the gym getting some work done, Kev's mobility is improving. So we will be doing this from two cane position, wheelchair position, and on the floor. And as you can imagine, it's going to be quite difficult, two canes getting up. So this will be an event.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it's just another way of looking at the cane strikes. It's another way of looking at personal protection when you're on the floor. Don't forget, give us a comment, give us a thumbs up.
If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell and free the floor.